Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of Nurse Nikki is Learning to Draw. I'm Nurse Nikki, and today we're going to be drawing a fox cartoon. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. So for this drawing, I am following the tutorial of the one and only Mr. Blaise. He used to work at Disney and now he has his own YouTube channel and he teaches people how to draw different characters, how to do animations and stuff like that. So I followed his tutorial for this. On his channel, he does a lot of lives and they're usually anywhere between an hour and a half to 2.5 hours, 3 hours. I think that they're really worth watching. I love his stuff. He's very laid back and mild-mannered in his presentation on his channel. He usually is on there with his son, but he does some awesome work. His main medium is digital art, but he does do a lot of traditional art like sketchbook type stuff. He does do some painting as well. So I would definitely check out his channel and see what you can learn there, but just really awesome stuff. And so as you can see right now, I pretty much have the outline of the fox, started to do some of the coloring and shading. I really had a blast following this tutorial, and by the end I really was proud of what I was able to do. Obviously now I look back, I can see some of the mistakes that I made, but it was just a great process to go through step by step with him. And he has some animation stuff, so I plan to go through those as well. But so anyway, as you can see, I'm coming to the end of the drawing and I really enjoyed my time doing this, like I said before. And what I will do is leave a link below to his YouTube channel. Please go there and check out some of his videos. Really great. I really appreciated your time today. I really hope you enjoyed my video. This is part of a series where I follow the tutorials of other YouTubers coming from the perspective of a beginner. If you have anybody that you would like me to feature, please go ahead and leave that in the comment section below and I'll be happy to check out their stuff. I have had a couple of recommendations from you guys, so I plan to feature those artists in the future. Again, thank you for spending some time with me today. If you haven't decided from this one video that you'd like to follow this channel, please check out some of my other videos. Also, please hit the like button if you like what you saw. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification so you can see when I upload next. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.